The University of Zimbabwe used the decision to force students to write exams without proper teaching and learning is a clear indictment of the institution's academic integrity. Zadavana pashoko anokuda panguva inoi onkonzi mastudents aiwa ekuuse it panguva inoi voforsewa kunzi aiwa vanyore maexaminations kunyange vasinonyatso kudzidza lectures aionekwa kunzi vakanga vasipo pastrike kuri kuonekwa kunzi zvinonyatso kudzikisira aiwa madegree emunyika yezimbabwe kuti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Pinda pana pamashoko ari kunyanyogwa achinzi academic integrity crisis munyika yezimbabwe pana pamudanyora chiti the administration's arrogance and the refusal to listen to reason have led to a crisis of a big proportions. By hiring unqualified adjuncts to teach university level courses, the administration is undermining the very foundation for academic excellence. It is a travesty of academic standards, and it is a clear indication of institutions' disregard for the welfare of students. The fact that students are being forced to cram into 1 to 2 days of lectures for a module is a joke. It is a mockery of the learning process, and it is a clear indication of the administration's incompetence. How can students be expected to learn and absorb complex concepts in such a short period of time? The administration's failure to attract qualified adjuncts in other faculties and departments is a testament to their failure to prioritize academic excellence. Instead of admitting defeat, they are forcing students to write an examination despite the lack of proper teaching and learning. It's a recipe for disaster, and it is a clear example of the administration's arrogance and disregard for the welfare of students. Ndomashwaruya panapa tiri kuona kuti aiwa maunions vakaita panguva inoi sana AUT Association of University Teachers vari kuuya vachiuya vachikondema vachi administration pachuzeti ngaisadaro. Mastudents anongonzi kremai macomplex concepts within 2 days votonzi chiuya munyore examination. Zviri kuonekwa kunzi arrogance iri kuitwa neadministration yeUZ. Vina section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pequality education yakudhilivwa panguva ino munyika yeZimbabwe. Vina section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe like, hit on the bell icon.